So now comparison between Python and JavaScript in Google Earth Engine. So basically, which one is more better to use for Google Earth Engine, JavaScript or Python? So first of all, in the JavaScript, have a powerful code editor. Okay, so we already show you this type of code editor. So this code editor is very powerful. All of function, all of tab, all of option, we can easily find out very quickly in this code editor. And in this code editor, I don't need to memorize anything. We can easily get all of those from the documentation tab, docs tab, asset tab, inspector tab, console tab. Okay, we can easily get all of those from in this code editor. So that's why it's called that it's very powerful code editor, very powerful. But Python have the another opportunity. Python have the lot of powerful library. Okay, so pandas, matplotlib, numpy, geopandas, scikit-learn, then keras, tensorflow. So this type of powerful library we can easily integrate with Google Earth Engine help of Python. Okay, but Python don't have the powerful code editor. Okay, so we already show you that Python code editor, you can see just have only for the cell, there is nothing. But if you check, this code editor is very powerful. We can easily get all of script, docs, asset, search option, get link button. So everything is very good. So as a beginners, when you start the journey, you start the journey with JavaScript API code editor. Because if you check docs, this type of function always similar, always similar. If you are using the Python, you need to also use this type of function. If you are using the JavaScript, we also need to use this type of function. Okay, so same function is the same, but we write two way, JavaScript and Python. And Python is also important because Python have lot of powerful library, and this type of library we can easily integrate with Google Earth Engine. As well as when you work with ArcGIS Pro, we can also use the Python. The ArcGIS Pro, we can also use the Python. And when you are using the QGIS software, we also use the Python. When you write your code in the QGIS, we also write the Python. Okay, we can easily use the Python, and we can easily connect the Google Earth Engine with ArcGIS Pro and also QGIS, and also make the analysis. Okay, so now let me show you that how to work with ArcGIS Pro and QGIS. Then I back to the slide again and then continue. So if you don't have the software, so after the class, you can simply inform me. I will try to give you the software of ArcGIS Pro. And QGIS software, it is open source, so we can easily get it, okay, from the online. There is no problem. Okay, so let's go. I try to show you that how to work with QGIS software first. Then we talk about that ArcGIS Pro. And if you don't have the ArcGIS Pro software, simply knock me after the class. I will send you the link. You simply download and install, okay, freely. So okay, let me stop